Your voice is the power behind your voice. The same sentence can sound boring or powerful. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak with Indu. How are you all? I am good. I hope you all are good and learning new things. There were two students. Both students knew English, but when the first student spoke, "Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about confidence." Then the second student came. "Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about confidence." Do you know the difference? The words were almost the same, but the voice was different. Your voice does not need to be perfect today, but with daily practice, you can become a confident speaker. People remember not only your words but also your voice.